Hi everyone, it's Amanda, and I wanted to jump on here really quick and do a giveaway. This giveaway is for a pack of Simple Stories Classic Christmas 12 by 12 collection kit. I did a haul video before this video and detailing everything that's in this package. You can kind of see it right here, but I got a like a grab bag from a cherry on top of Simple Stories paper, and I got 2 of these kits, so I wanted to give one away to somebody, and this is open just for YouTube. I'm not announcing this on Instagram or anything like that, although I think I have some crossover. So but anyway, to be eligible to win this, just leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel, and I guess that's it. It's going to be really simple. We'll do this just for the U.S., 50 states. I think Puerto Rico maybe also, but nothing international because this is going to be, the size would be hard for me to ship internationally. So anyway, that's it. I will have more detail on the rules below in the description, just so to clarify everything. And then when I choose a winner, I will do another video to choose the winner because I think it's a little bit better like that. And I'll run it for a week and I'll put the details below right here. So anyway, thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate everybody watching my videos and the support that you give me, and I love being able to give back. So thanks a lot for watching my channel, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.